Hello, guys, and welcome to the Eat the Frog Notion template. Actually, the book is Eat That Frog. Its name is Eat That Frog, but we name this template Eat the Frog template because we are going to eat it. Like, not literally eat the frog. Actually, we are going to do our task. We task first, and others are graded with ABCD method. Let's go straight to the point. Template actually. First of all, you can see the instructions here. First step by step about 10 yeah 10 steps. You can read that first. Then we have the quick capture section for buttons. You can quickly add your page like a snap finger, like tap it and do it thing. And then there is a daily task. There is also a button for that, and daily task for doing the task and achieve this after doing it. Okay, don't have to achieve it if you can complete it. Okay. Then there's a project section for your current project you're working on, and there is a navigation bar. For each page you can see uh, the separate line edited in separate way, like areas have their own projects, ideas you can add idea, quick idea, resources, and there is more you can see it. And so let's finish the home page first and come to this. Don't mind the lab, actually it's kind of hang, that's why it's slow. Yeah, I don't update my gadgets. Now the ABCD section. Yeah, A B A1 A2. Yeah, you can see uh, A1 is the important task here. I need to write the blog, then the task 3. That's why. Okay. Doing like I can't do. You shouldn't do in this episode. You shouldn't do the task B and then task A to A2 or A1. Should always complete A1 first, then A2, and then B and C and so on. Okay, this is complete. If you complete any tasks, and you can see it here, and there is a deleted archive task. Oh, there is a lot. I did some example test. Okay, never mind that. Yeah, and there is the daily growth habit section. Like, you can add habits here, and you can see the habits here, and you can first of all, if you should add in every new habit you add, you should separately add the habit, like this section. I don't know how to go completely with it. Like, let's do it again. If I just minus this, there won't be any. Okay, this its analytics is not showing up because we didn't connect it to the analytics. First thing you should do is connect the analytics. Yep. Ta-da! There you go. See? Yeah. And there is a daily logs section where you can add daily logs, your moods and everything. And there you have the channel section for lighting channels. I did just start thing, you see. Your date morning. If you done the day morning routine, just tap check mark it. If you not, don't check mark it. That's the main program. You should always do the morning routine and the shutdown routine. Then your mood, write the mood, add your mood and happiness level of the day. Raining every day. It's totally raining in Kerala, so I hate too much rain. The overall rating is 2. Maybe I can add 3. 3. Yeah, 3 stars. See, if you think this is your favorite channel, just add the favorite. Tap on the favorite check mark. Okay, see the separate channel page. Okay, that's it, folks. And there's a calendar and tasks and area we already talked about this. We can see the active areas here, completed areas here, achieved areas here. Simple as that. So simple. And the project, link the project to task, and link the project to areas. And your key ideas pop up and you just write, jot it down. The resource section where active resources, status, view data resources, and table formula. Literally the formula, tables formula, and the archive task. Get it? Then, if you have any doubt, let me just email me, or you can find me like everything, everything. You can find me in everything. So if you have any doubts or anything, just let me know. Then we have the project section. Section is about the active projects, the tables, the completed projects, completed projects, and the achieved projects. And go down, there is a project status. This project is showing in the status view, like the project that are in progress mode, done mode, and in box mode. Okay. And there's also a types of priority level. The projects that you into priority levels, like if here you added this is very important, then you can see right here. Load it here. Alright, you can see. If you add that, you can see submitted. The task. There you can first you can see the pending task and the completed task. Oh, there's lot of pending tasks. You can complete this and just check mark this. Oh, okay. Sorry for this. I should add this. I complete. And check. Show me, there is. You can see it here. And you can do this like me. Going to there. That's it. I'm saying for everyone. Okay. And there is a ABC method in a different whole view, like in the project tasks that are in A. We saw also in the inbox section, and the tasks that are in A or B, anything that are in status. We can all see in the task that is related to their status. Where a task is simply in a inbox section, you can see it here. When empty task is simply in a inbox section, you can see it here, and everything is divided into status view. And you can scroll down, you can see the icons to the right, where the tasks that are very important, moderate, and low. Just a reminder, you can write the reminder thing, like, I should remember to do this tomorrow. Just write it down here. And then the type of tasks, it's all divided into 5, like you can see. You write the one in the beginning. If you write down a task in a section, then you can see it here. And you can see it here. You know, the delegation elements, like D and E are always the delegation and the elimination task. You can eliminate the task just like that. Eat the program. Should read the instruction first to know about this section, like how you can read the frog section more detail, like everything. Now let's go to the resource section. I simply Then you have the log section, daily log. You have daily logs here, nothing more. And then the journal, your journal here, favorite journal here. See if you added a favorite journal, then you can see here. You can note it down. "Ah, I had a wonderful day that day," to remember something. Okay. And in the habit section, you can see all the checked habits here. Oh, you can see, and the analytics here, and the attitudes here. And this is a calendar for you, 30 days calendar, and the reminder. That's it, folks. Yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching this, and hope it was helpful. If it's not, you can reach me out. I will give you day and night for this. Like, in help, just call me, just mail me. I'll be there for you. Okay.